In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit labels in Microsoft Loop. In order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is loop.cloud.microsoft, and you should be able to see right here this. So on this case, proceed to click onto this Get Started option that we can see right here. And from in there, you can head over and then sign up for an account. If you already have it, proceed to click onto this sign in option. You can use your account on OneDrive as well as your Microsoft Word. So that is because Microsoft applications are interconnected to each other, so you can use your account from there. So let's head over and click on sign in right here. So here is my actual Microsoft Loop. So in order to edit the labels, you can first head over to your actual file or your actual page. Then you can click onto the three dots and you can see these options for subcomponents as well as styles and the likes. So in order to edit the labels added into your Microsoft Loop, you first need to head over and then change some things that we have right here. So click on the label that you want to change within a column that you want and add the option for that. Let's first head over and add right here a table. Click onto this one right here and insert a table. Now we have in here this. So to change right here the label group in a table column, click onto the table icon right here. You can either choose right here some options like resizing, but for this one, let's just click on rename and change it right here in order to change the label for that. Let's name it name. And for the second one, let's name it email. You can change right here the options according to this case, and you can relabel it according to this one. Just edit the values that we have right here and edit the pretext for this one as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need on Microsoft Loop. Thank you so much for watching.